for today's video, we will try to replace battery of keyless remote of the Toyota Wigo 2024. So once na may nakita na kayong key indication sa dashboard nyo, so meaning pwede siyang dahil sa lobat na yung battery. So paano natin siya papalitan? So let's start. So we need to this one. So separate lang natin sila. Then once na separate natin sila, so may makikita kayo dito sa upper part nya na butas. Then using your key, then insert this one, then twist counterclockwise. Then here you go, open na siya. Then gently natin siyang paghiwalayin. So as you can see, ayan, so ganito siya. So ang battery niya dito is Panasonic CR2032. So we have this. Yan. So isa lang naman ang kailangan natin. So we need to try to pull this. You see, or any sharp or pointed material. So here you go, tanggal na siya. Then try lang natin palitan ng isang piraso lang, one piece, new battery. So it's the same naman. Then ulit lang natin ulit. That's it. Yan. So nilaw na siya, red light indicating that it's okay to use. Then let's try to put it back. That's it. Okay. Meron din naman tayo na yan, spare key or yung duplicate key, which is also gumagana din yan. So dahil ito lagi yung ginagamit natin, then tinabi lang natin yung isa, but at the same time yung battery nila is laging naka-standby. So lagi pareho silang gumagana. Almost 2 years na pala tong keyless natin, so keyless remote. So ayun, kaya siya nalobat na. So may tips lang ako para ma-save yung battery ng duplicate key natin or yung extra. So just push the lock button and the unlock twice simultaneously. So click this one, then 1, 2, then there's a light. It will blink 4 times, then ayan, naka-disable na siya. So meaning yung battery niya is yan, hindi gumagana as of now dahil yun yan, naka-disable. So mapaprolong natin yung battery life niya. So anytime na once lang mag-click kayo any lock or unlock, then gagana na ulit siya. So mag-standby mode na siya, then yan, okay to use na ulit. Kaso gagana ulit yung battery. So try natin ulit i-disable para matipid natin yung battery niya. So 1, 2, then yan. So pwede na natin siya ulit itabi kasi dahil kaka-change lang natin itong battery nito. So that's it. Sana may natutunan kayo.